are many kinds of habitats in the world. They can be as small as your fingernails, which when dirty can become the habitat of harmful germs. They can also be as large as an ocean, which is the habitat of millions of sea animals. In this chapter, we will learn about some of the habitats in the world. Those habitats can be divided into two groups: terrestrial, rainforest, grasslands, deserts, tundra, aquatic, freshwater, which has river, stream, pond, lake, oceans, which has sea and ocean. Rainforest. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a jungle with very tall and closely growing trees. It gets a lot of rain. It is a home to nearly half of the animal and plant types on Earth. On a map of the Earth, the rainforest can be seen near the center. They grow here because these places receive a lot of rainfall. Rainforests get more rain than any other place on Earth. The rainforests remain green throughout the year. Adaptations of rainforest animals. Several different types of trees grow in rainforest. Most of the animals that live in a rainforest can climb trees. Many rainforest animals have colors that help them hide in the green and brown background of the forest. They hide themselves from predators as well as their prey. However, many brightly colored animals also live in forest. Grasslands are areas full of tall grass. There are no shrubs or bushes in grassland because they get very little rain. Trees are found in only some places. Some small streams and rivers may flow through grassland. Most grasslands support a wide variety of animal life. The grasslands get much less rain than rainforest, less than one-third of it. Adaptations of grassland animals. Grazing animals can easily digest grass. Some grassland animals have skin color that matches the grass. This way, they can hide from predators. Animals such as giraffes, elephants, zebras, etc. live in herds. It becomes difficult for a lion or a tiger to attack a herd because a number of animals live together. Hot desert. The desert is a very dry and hot habitat. It receives a very little rainfall. Sometimes rain does not fall for years. While deserts are very hot during the day, they get cold at night. Deserts are mostly sand, but they are not plantless. The plants of desert need very little water to grow. A rose plant would never grow in a desert. You can easily understand why this is so. A kangaroo rat is a desert animal. It never drinks water. It gets all the water it needs from the seeds it eats. Adaptations of desert animals. Most deserts are very hot. Desert animals have been adapted to live with very little water. They can bear a lot of heat. Some desert animals stay in their burrows during the day and come out at night to feed. Their bodies save the water they drink and pass out very little as urine. The camel can drink large amount of water in one day and then live on that water for many days. Some animals never drink, but they get water they need from seeds and plants they eat. Tundra, cold desert. The tundra is a cold desert. It remains frozen throughout the year. Why is it known as a desert when it is so cold? This is because, just like a hot desert, it receives very little rainfall. Trees cannot grow here because of low temperatures and short growing seasons. The green area in the map shows the tundra region. The tundra is situated at the poles, the Arctic and Antarctic. Adaptations of tundra animals. Tundra animals face extreme cold for most part of the year. In order to live in extreme cold, they have the following adaptations. Tundra animals grow a thick coat of fur just the way we wear woolen sweaters and coats during the winter. In summer, they shed off their fur just the way we take off warm clothes in the hot season. Most tundra animals have white coats. This way, they can hide easily in the snow to protect themselves from predators. Oceans. More than half of the earth is covered with oceans. We cannot drink the ocean water because it is very salty and sometimes bitter. A lot of animals live in the ocean. Adaptations of ocean aquatic animals. Most sea animals have special systems in their bodies that remove the extra salt. Sea animals get oxygen for breathing from the water they live in. In order to take in oxygen, their bodies have been specially designed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Those sea animals that cannot take in oxygen from water need to come out of the water to breathe. This is why a whale came to the water surface every now and then. Freshwater. Freshwater bodies include lakes, rivers, and ponds. The water of these water bodies is not salty. The amount of fresh water on the planet Earth is very little compared to seawater. If we imagine that the seawater is like the full bottle of mineral water, fresh water is as little as the water filled in its cap. Adaptations of freshwater animals. The bodies of freshwater animals, like the seawater animals, have been designed to take in oxygen from water. Urban habitats. Urban habitats include big cities that have roads, tall buildings, and public parks. Many plants and animals live in the urban habitats. Can you name some of the animals that you can see in your neighborhood? Adaptations of animals living in urban habitats. Animals in the urban habitats can tolerate the noise and light made by human activities. They usually eat a variety of food. Sometimes they get food from the garbage we throw away.